Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to add link in YouTube videos description. So I'm going to open my YouTube and then open my channel. So just click on the three on your profile icon. No, click on the library at the bottom and click on your videos right here, and then you can just choose the video or the video description that you want to add some links. So I'm going to add a link in this videos description. So just click on the three dots icon besides the titles, and you'll find the edit option. So I'm going to add another video link into this description. So what you need to do is just click on the description right here, and then you can just type in or paste the link, how to Google Forms. So oops, I'm going to paste the link that I've copied before. So make sure that you've already copied the link, this one right here, and then when you're done, just go back and click on save, and then the link will be added into the video's description. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.